But I need a
That's the
screwdriver
mind
too. Wait, I need
I
a
don't know a
screwdriver.
Screw the.
Yo, did you tell him I
Screw.
need a screwdriver?
Who? Oh yeah, he needs a screwdriver.
You
You have to get the
better,
right one pretty soon, because if you, I think that one's working.
Oh my god. Dude, it
What's
doesn't
that?
turn.
Hold on.
Dude,
If
it's
you
so
need
tight.
the longer one, hold on, Dave, John. If you have a holder,
I don't-
long. Yeah,
Jonathan
I got.
doing anything right now?
No.
He's watching.
I mean, I have to
Yeah, oh,
put in the other part.
still dirty.
Yeah, maybe you could blow fan at it.
We didn't.
Now they
Maybe
took it.
later
Let
on.
me see if the other one fits.
Okay.
I don't think it's gonna fit.
It's not gonna fit?
I don't think so. I told him it's. Wait, chill out, bro. Oh,
Is it?
I
Is
think
it
so.
working? Oh, okay.
Wait. Yeah.
Oh,
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's go.
yeah.
Hey.
Hey, no? Hey.
Stop. Or actually no, this one maybe is better.